Hey guys, so I wanted to help continuing with part 2 of decoding the options chain. Why do we look for the smallest implied volatility on the options chain to find the price target is if you think about the concept of selling a bull put spread or selling a bear call spread. So the purpose is to collect premium, right? So that means you want the underlying position to go either above your puts that you're selling or below the calls that you're selling. When you sell premium of the put position, the implied volatility or the demand, right? The gauge of the demand goes down. So when IV goes down, that means you want that position to actually be above, the underlying position to be above the shorted put. But the ones that go up, the implied volatility that goes up, is the spread that they're going long on. So when you look for smaller implied volatility on the put side and where it starts going up or increasing in implied volatility, then you know the short position is where you should target, because for that position to be making a profit, the underlying price has to be above the shorted implied volatility strike. On the call side, why you want the implied volatility to be smallest is normally hedge funds, when you go long a position, the best profit with the spread is for the max strike or your target strike to be the short position. So same concept, when you're selling a call, the IV will go down on the shorted position, which is normally the strike that you want to sell or the max target. Or the higher the implied volatility is the long position, right? So when you're in a bull call spread, the higher IV are the ones being purchased and the lower IV is the max strike that's being targeted. So you have a bull call spread with a higher implied volatility for long position with higher demand versus lower IV for the ones being shorted, saying, okay, this is the max it's going to be. I hope this helps, and for more tips, make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and leave me a comment.